So someone you know always gulps down a concerningly large amount of liquid during their mealtime. You search the internet far and wide just to find the perfect article or video to explain why they shouldn't. Thankfully, you have found this video and you are relieved. Your search is over. In this video, we will explain exactly why it is a bad idea to drink while you eat. But before we get on to the video, make sure to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips that your doctor will hate. Now let's explore this topic in more detail. Our digestive system is a complex network of organs that work together to break down food into nutrients our body can absorb and use. When we eat, our body releases digestive enzymes and stomach acid to break down the food. These digestive juices are highly concentrated and acidic, designed to dissolve and break down the food in our stomachs. However, when we drink water while eating, we dilute the digestive juices, making it harder for them to do their job. This can result in slower digestion, leading to bloating, discomfort, and other digestive issues. Moreover, when we drink cold water with our meals, it can also affect the temperature of our stomach, causing the body to work harder to regulate the temperature, which can further affect digestion. So, what's the solution? The answer is simple: avoid drinking water while eating. Instead, drink water at least 30 minutes before or after your meals. This will allow your stomach to produce enough digestive juices to break down the food properly. Moreover, drinking water before meals can also help you eat less by making you feel fuller, which can be helpful for those who are trying to lose weight. Another alternative to drinking water while eating is to have warm or hot water with your meals. Warm water can stimulate digestion and enhance the absorption of nutrients from the food we eat. Additionally, drinking warm water can help alleviate constipation and promote bowel movements. Let's talk in more detail about the disadvantages and advantages of drinking water while eating. Disadvantages: dilutes digestive juices. As mentioned earlier, when we drink water while eating, it can dilute the digestive juices in our stomach, making it harder for our body to break down the food properly. This can lead to slower digestion, bloating, and other digestive issues. Causes of overeating: drinking water while eating can also make us feel less complete, leading to overeating. Drinking water can fill our stomach, making us think that we are less full than we actually are. This can result in overeating, leading to weight gain and other health issues. Affects nutrient absorption. Drinking water with your meals can also affect the absorption of nutrients from the food. When we drink water, it can flush out the digestive enzymes and stomach acid that are needed to break down food. This can reduce nutrient absorption, leading to nutrient deficiencies over time. Affects temperature of the stomach. Drinking cold water with your meals can also affect the temperature of your stomach, causing the body to work harder to regulate the temperature, which can further affect digestion. Causes acidity. Drinking water with meals can also cause acidity in some people. Drinking water with meals can increase the production of stomach acid, leading to acid reflux and other digestive issues. Causes discomfort. Finally, drinking water with meals can also cause discomfort and bloating, especially in those with a sensitive digestive system. This can lead to feelings of fullness and discomfort, making it hard to enjoy your meals. Advantages. While there are several disadvantages to drinking water while eating, there are also some potential advantages that should be considered. Promotes hydration. Drinking water with your meals can help you stay hydrated, especially if you struggle to drink enough water throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and can support healthy digestion, improve cognitive function, and regulate body temperature. Helps with swallowing. Drinking water with your meals can help you consume your food more easily, particularly if you are eating dry or chewy foods that may be difficult to swallow. Can aid digestion. While drinking water with your meals can dilute digestive juices and enzymes, some studies suggest that drinking a small amount of water during meals can aid digestion by moistening food and helping it move through the digestive system. May reduce constipation. Drinking water with your meals can also help prevent constipation by adding fluid to the digestive tract and softening stools. Can promote weight loss. Drinking water with meals can also help with weight loss by making you feel fuller faster and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, drinking water before meals has been shown to decrease calorie intake and promote weight loss. Supports nutrient absorption. While drinking too much water with your meals can affect nutrient absorption negatively, drinking a small amount of water can help dissolve minerals and other nutrients, making them more readily available for absorption. While drinking water with meals may seem like a good idea, it can have several disadvantages, especially for those with a sensitive digestive system. It is best to avoid drinking water with your meals and instead consume water before or after your meals or opt for warm water. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos on safe and healthy remedies.